Okay, problem 9a. Let's solve this system using a matrix. So we're going to write our matrix as, let's make our first column our x variable, second column y, third column z, and then our last column will be what this stuff is equal to. So in that top equation, our x is 3, our y is 2. We need to move that z over to the other side to be with the x and the y, which means we would subtract the 7z, which would make z a -7, and would make that equal to 0. Now, next one, our x is going to be a -5, our y a +4, our z a 1, and that is equal to 5. You have to rearrange the equation so that it's x, y, and z. And then the last one, I'm going to say that x is +5. I'm going to say that y is +8. I'm going to say that z is 2. And then I'm going to say that is equal to +3. So think about what I did. I moved that 8 over, and I moved that 3 over. So they both became positive. Now, we need to enter this matrix into our calculator. So, to do that, hit the second button, then hit the matrix button right there. You will get the matrix screen. It will list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. A bunch of different matrix options. You need to go to the edit option up here. So arrow to the right twice to highlight edit. Then hit enter. That will allow you to edit matrix A. And our column is 3 rows by 4 columns. Our matrix is 3 rows by 4 columns. So enter 3 by 4 up at the top, and now we can start entering our values in. Notice when you type in a value and hit enter, it moves you to the right. So 3, enter, 2, enter, -7, enter, 0, enter, and now it jumps you down to the second row. So enter all of those, and at this point you should then have all your values entered, and you're currently highlighted on the third row, fourth column. Now at this point you need to hit second, and you need to quit out to go back to your calculator home screen. And this seems silly, but now hit second and hit matrix again. And this time you need to select the math category. So arrow over once, hit enter. Just kidding, don't hit enter. I lied. Scroll down to what is most likely option B, alpha B, all the way down to where it says R, R, E, F. Notice 2 R's, not 1. They are different operations. So once you have RREF highlighted, hit enter, and it'll place an RREF in a parenthesis on your screen. And now go back into your matrix. So second matrix again. And now we want to hit enter on matrix A so that we're doing the RREF on matrix A. Like that. Hit enter, and you will get a bunch of really ugly decimals. You will get the matrix 1, 0, 0, -0.466 repeating, and then it'll say 0, 1, 0, and you will get 0.668 repeating, and then 0, 0, 1, and it'll say -0.008 repeating, like that. Well, those values are corresponding to your variables x, y, and z. It's saying x is that first ugly decimal, -0.46 repeating. Y is the second ugly decimal, 0.668 repeating. And z is the third ugly decimal, -0.008 repeating. Something cool that you could do is you could hit math and then frac, and that would give you the fraction representations of each of these ugly decimals. So -7/15 for x, 301 450ths for y, and -2 225ths for z.